जॉइंट्स हमारी बॉडी का कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर है एंड इफ you also suffer from joint pain, stiffness or swelling, then let me tell you one thing. You are not alone. In this video, we will talk all about joint problems. Do you know about 73% of people living with joint problems are above the age of 55 years and 60% of them are females. It is true that female population have more joint related problems than men. And to know why, you need to watch this video till the end. Joint problems के common कारण हैं aging, a common factor between men and women, as with age, cushion between the bones या जिसे हम commonly grease भी कहते हैं, it depletes. Joint overuse, it can be occupational due to some specific routine, hobby or habit. Like excessive knitting results in tennis elbow, bad posture can give you shoulder pain or neck pain, deficiency of vitamin D and calcium, which is becoming more and more common in both of the genders. Menopausal age. When women enter menopausal age, they face more problems related with bones and joints, and its reason is low calcium absorption due to hormonal shift and pre-existing obesity, which can become extreme in menopausal stage. Now, answering the question, why do women have more joint problems than men? एक फीमेल की बॉडी एंटायर लाइफ टाइम में काफ़ी ज़्यादा चेंजेस से गुजरती है. Puberty, pregnancy, and then finally menopause. And menopause hits hard. जब एक फीमेल menopausal age में enter करती है, she observe a lot of changes in her body, and one of such change is weak bones and painful joints. Now the question is why? During menopause in female body, female hormones का level fluctuate करता है, and gradually it decreases. These hormones are estrogen and progesterone. जिसके कारण बॉडी में बहुत सारे प्रोसेसेस में चेंज आता है, स्पेशली कैल्शियम एब्जॉर्प्शन. दैट्स व्हाई बॉडी स्टार्ट्स टेकिंग कैल्शियम फ्रॉम इट्स कैल्शियम रिजर्व्स that are bones in order to perform different processes. This entire process makes bone brittle and joints weak. The second reason is shift in fat metabolism and appetite. और इस वजह से वेट गेन होता है, might result in obesity if serious changes to diet and lifestyle are not introduced, and already obese patient tend to gain more and more weight, जिसके कारण weight bearing joints, especially knees, gets affected along with pain in ankles, calf muscles, etc. इसीलिए joint problems are common in females after a certain age. But what's the solution to joint problems in both male and females? To resolve joint related problems, you must focus on its cause. Joint problems like joint pain, swelling and difficulty in mobility can be resolved only after working on its cause. जैसे females में joint problems mostly menopause के कारण होती हैं. So in such cases, self-education is important. Like what to add in diet and what changes should be introduced in lifestyle. In case of males, controlling weight is really important. In diet, both male and females can do two things which are really important. Number one, add good sources of protein. And number two, eating more fiber in form of green leafy vegetables as they are packed with micronutrients. फीमेल्स को एडिशनल चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, जैसे एडिंग सम सोर्स ऑफ फाइटोएस्ट्रोजन इन डाइट लाइक सेसमे सीड्स, पम्पकिन सीड्स, फ्लैक्स सीड्स एंड ड्राइड नट्स. इन लाइफस्टाइल इट्स रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हम अपनी बॉडी को मूवमेंट ज़्यादा दें, एंड फॉर दिस एक्सरसाइजिंग इज़ द बेस्ट. Do yoga, brisk walking, weight training, running if you can, and keep your body in motion so that your joints don't lose their flexibility and you can keep your muscle trained as well. Certain herbs like turmeric can help with pain. Harjur or Cissus quadrangularis can help making bones stronger. Shallaki can reduce inflammation. Massaging with oils containing bala and ashwagandha can help with pain, swelling and restricted joint movements. Raisin like shilajit or gugul can do miracles for males and females who suffer from joint weakness, pain, stiffness, etc. Herbs like shatavari, lodra, dashmool, ashwagandha are very effective in females to manage the declining hormone. So that's all about joint problems and how you can actually keep your old age enemy at bay. If you have any query or concern which you want to discuss with a doctor, visit the link provided in the description or call on the number displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching.